So, all right, we are here in Starbucks drinking our coffee and drinks, whatever shit this is, and it's very noisy. Like there are a lot of people behind us, like a group of 10 or 12 people, 8 to 10 people. They're making too much noise, shouting and all that. It's a Saturday afternoon. Some people came here just to relax and maybe just have a little quiet time. But yeah, that's what I don't like about group of people. Whenever there are a lot of people, you know be it any race, be it any ethnicity, whatever, like people usually blame that, oh, Indians. No, these guys are not Indians, they're clearly white people, but it's a group of 8 to 10 people, and it's super noisy, it's annoying, man. So it's not just about India and civic sense of Indian people. It's almost everywhere. Sure, in India it's very prominent, it's too much, but whenever there is a group of people, most of them don't know how to behave, because you get loud because you want to be heard by everyone else around you and all that. It's just a what do you think?
Yeah, I mean, people like us, we are at least conscious of that, right? कि हम मॉडेस्टली बैठ रहे हैं और अच्छे से इज्जत से बैठ रहे हैं.
हाँ, हम दो लोग हैं, वी आर टू पीपल, इसलिए बट
And even if we are in a group, let's say we have five, four, six
ये ऐसे
friends
आठ
along with
दस
us,
लोग
we
हैं.
at least we can vouch that most of our friends are at least they are aware of that fact that if you're in a cafe, if you're in any public area, at least you're maintaining a low volume.
I
Like,
have
yeah,
Yeah, I mean, I have been in groups where you know I was just not very comfortable because how loud my friends were speaking. I know it tends to happen. I'm not blaming anyone here. I'm not blaming those people behind us. Sure, whatever. But come on, you have to maintain, decorum of the place wherever you're going. Like you just go inside and make that place your own just because you're in a group. There are other people as well, and it goes for everyone, not just me, not just them. It goes for everyone. Even you have to be conscious enough, man. कहीं पे भी
and
तुम जा
that
रहे हो.
level of consciousness is a perfect example would be Japanese people. Like you see them in their metros.
ये देखो.
You see
ये,
them in the metro.
see these people. They're going out now, and how loud they are.
Yeah, I was saying the perfect example here is Japanese people. You see them in the metros, in public transport. If someone is listening to something in their headphones and the sound is leaking, the other person like politely lets each other know that such a thing is happening. And bahar bhi kahin bhi jao, everyone, they are minding their own damn business in their own way, even if they are groups of people hanging out together, but in a decent volume where you're loud enough to hear each other talk, but also not loud enough so that you're not disturbing other people's peace.
Yeah, now Mega made this about the country and race and people. I'm saying it's universal. I'm saying it's human. I'm saying it's everywhere. It doesn't matter where you're a white person, you're Chinese, you're Japanese, you're Indian, you're South Asian, whatever. It could be just any group of people. Whenever there's a group of people, 8 to 10 people, there is a tendency that all of us humans we get loud. I don't know why, but you can observe this. Yeah, sure, there are examples where exceptions are there. For example, yeah, in Japan, mostly people are very conscious about the area that they're in. They're aware of their surroundings, sure, but I'm still saying it's universal, you know, and comparatively, it's still, the volume will be larger because of number, as well as everyone in that group, they tend to speak a little louder. I don't know what's that about, but sure, yeah. But here we are drinking our coffee in Starbucks. इसके बाद हमारा plan है, we will go out to something else. Maybe we'll go to a museum. Cheers.